Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla, and here we love to talk about all things luxury makeup, luxury beauty, high-end makeup, high-end beauty, which it's kind of the same thing, but I feel the need to say both luxury and high-end. It just makes me happy, and I thought that I would cover all the bases. So today we are going to be talking about this new Sisley foundation, the Phyto-TEINT Nude foundation. Look how tiny she is, okay? She's tiny, but it is a full fluid ounce, which most typical foundations are. So I am going to do an application of this, two different applications. So one side with just my hands, the other side with a beauty blender. So you can kind of see how it applies using different methods. So if that's something that you're interested in, then just keep watching. Okay, so I have the new Sisley Phyto-TEINT Nude foundation. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I have it in the shade 00 in Pearl. I apologize if I'm not pronouncing it right. It says that it is a water infused foundation and that it is oil free. Now I've used this one time before and I did enjoy it. So what I'm gonna do for y'all is on half of my face, I'm gonna apply it with my hands, and on the other half, I'm gonna use my beauty blender. So it is a little twist top with a little squeezy tube, which I do not mind. It looks so small, y'all, but it does say that it's 1 ounce. It just kind of blew my mind when I opened it, and it's so tiny. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the back of my hand so that y'all can see the texture and the consistency. So as you can see, it is very runny. Is it the most runny foundation? No, but it is pretty runny. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna apply it on this side with my hands. Now, as you can see, it is very, very light. This is like a second layer. Okay, so there it is on this half of my face. As you could probably see, I did have to use a lot of product to even get this amount of coverage, but it does provide a light bit of coverage. So here's the side with it, and then here's the side without. And I don't think that I mentioned, I don't have anything else on my face right now other than my skincare. So I'm gonna do this side with a beauty blender. So this is the side that I did with my hands. This is the side with the beauty blender. What do we think? Does it really look any different? I do feel like using the beauty blender was a lot quicker. And honestly, I do feel like it still provided like pretty much the same amount of coverage. So now that I have inspected it a little bit closer, I do see that over on this side that I use the Beauty Blender, I know it's not gonna pick up on camera, but there is like a little bit of pilling. Now that may be my skincare, I'm not sure, but I don't have that on this side. I'm very interested to see like if any of you have used this foundation, if you've had that problem. I am gonna take my Beauty Blender and just kind of go over this side because I do feel like when I was looking at it closer that there are a few little streaks from using my hand. But overall, it is a nice foundation. So I'm gonna kind of come in a little bit too. I don't know if this is gonna pick up, but I am a little dry right here. And it is picking up a little on my dry spots. It does say that it's oil free. So it is a very like light texture. And I do feel like that maybe not having that oil in it makes it do that. But it is a pretty foundation. So I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face and I'll be back. Okay, so I went ahead and finished up the rest of my face. I added all the things. So I set this with a little bit of my Clé de Peau translucent loose setting powder. And I mean, I think it looks really beautiful. Like I said before, it does kind of cling to dry spots. So I don't know that people with dry skin will love this. And it's almost like I'm trying to think of the texture of what I can compare it to. I don't know if this is still around, but the Giorgio Armani Maestro foundation is very similar in my opinion to this. It almost has like that dry oil feel, even though this one is oil free. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like you put it on and like you don't even feel it. So it kind of does provide that set down, not matte, but definitely drier finish. So if you ever tried the Armani Maestro foundation, I do think this one is similar. It's also similar to the Kosas, the little bottle foundation that they have. I think it's the tinted oil. I'm not sure, but I did try that one and I did not like it, but I do like this one, even though they are kind of similar. I think that this one provides more coverage and it is less dewy and greasy than the Kosas one. So overall, I really do like this foundation. I mean, if it's something that you're interested in, I would definitely say give it a try. It is light coverage, as you can see. I did go in and add some concealer around my nose, on the tip of my nose, just because I have a lot of redness there. But overall, I mean, I didn't add any more coverage anywhere else. And I mean, I feel like it, for the most part, covered up my blemishes. So I like it. I think as compared to the Sisley Phyto-Blanc, the little cushion type foundation, and then the other Sisley foundation that I have, I'll insert a picture right here because I can't remember the name. I don't like this one as much as the Phyto-Blanc and the cushion, but I do think that I like it more than this one. I do. It doesn't quite provide as much coverage as that one, but I do think I like this. So this is my second favorite Sisley foundation that I own. It's great. It has a Sisley scent, so if that's something that you're familiar with or aversive to, just keep that in mind, but it's very nice. So have any of y'all picked up this foundation? If you have, what are your thoughts? Do you like it? If you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. And also, if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.